And more investment locations are being put up in the country. This is in line with the Aquino administration's Philippine Development Plan. Economic zones not only help in the country's growth and development, but also provide more employment opportunities to the people. Jorge Bandola reports.
Government's effort to attract more investors is gaining grounds after the country posted a 20% more foreign equities last year. Records from the Department of Trade and Industry states that from only 6% in 2011, PEZA investments in 2012 reached 311.9 billion or 8.9% higher than the 2011 figure of 288.3 billion pesos. This is why the administration and its economic managers are relentless in pursuing more foreign investors to put up business in government-appointed economic zones. Under the Philippine Development Plan 2010-2016, the government continued to build more and expand more economic zones in the country to give more job and more development to countryside. But how does Special Economic Zone works? By virtue of the Special Economic Zone Act of 1995, an economic zone is a special investment window that gives enough, if not substantial, fiscal and non-fiscal incentives to investments. Investments, though, should be in one of the identified enterprise, such as the agro-industrial enterprise, domestic market enterprise, export enterprise, facilities enterprise, free trade enterprise, and enterprises in information technology, logistics service, medical tourism, regional warehouse, service, tourism, and utilities. Once the investment has been made, fiscal and non-fiscal incentives will be given to the investors in the form of tax holidays, tax-free and duty-free of imported raw materials, VAT zero rating on local products, exemption of wharfage and export fees, exemption from expanded withholding tax, exemption from payment of national and local fees. Through the years, only the Aquino administration has given more incentives to large-scale investors. So, it is impossible for the foreign investors not to consider the Philippines as their investment hub. Philippine Economic Zone Authority records that at least 73 nationalities have invested in the PEZA-appointed economic zones since 2010, biggest of which are the American equities with 417, followed by Australian interest with 99, Chinese with 81, and Hong Kong with 33. Filipino investors continue to dominate the economic zones with more than 2,000 equities. For People's Television, Jorge Bandola.